AT&T's Internet Air is the 5G home internet offered by AT&T, while Xfinity is a cable internet provider with nationwide coverage. Both offer fast speeds, but the reliability and pricing can differ. Internet Air is wireless, easy to set up, no technician required. Real users report speeds between 100 and 300 megabits, which is solid for streaming and everyday use. But on Reddit, some complain about occasional slowdowns during peak 5G congestion or in areas with weaker signal strength. Xfinity, on the other hand, runs on cable infrastructure, offering speeds of up to 1.2 gigabits in most regions. It's generally more stable, but it comes with data caps on lower tier plans and equipment rental fees, which some users find frustrating. Pricing is competitive, though. Internet Air costs around $55 a month with no contracts, while Xfinity starts near $30 but can climb quickly once promos expire. For many, Xfinity wins on raw speed, but Internet Air's flat rate pricing and simple setup make it appealing for cord cutters and renters. Bottom line is, if you value reliability and speed, Xfinity definitely has the edge just because it's cable. But for flexibility and no hidden fees, Internet Air is tough to beat. Have you tried either? What else do you want reviewed or compared? Also subscribe for more awesome content, and I'll definitely catch you in the next video.